Hello, my dear students. Let us start our third lesson in science, teeth and microbes. We have finished our fourth lesson and I sent notes. I hope you have copied your notes, and this week I'll take second lesson test paper after online session. So all should start learning of second lesson now itself, and see teeth and microbes. After digestion, we are learning about our teeth. Teeth are very important for us, isn't it? And one activity is given in your textbook before starting our class. Unscramble the words and find out the hidden words from this. So all of you try it. Then, why do we need teeth? At the time of learning about digestion, we learn our teeth helps us to chew our food well and mix up with saliva, which is the digestive juice present in our mouth. Our teeth chew our food well, chewing and making our food in the paste form in the mouth itself. That means teeth help us to bite and chew our food. And see, you just imagine without teeth, what will be your shape of your face? Shapeless, isn't it? So we can tell they give shape to our face. They give shape to our face, and at the same time they help us to bite and chew our food. Then next use is help us speak clearly, and teeth help us to speak clearly. These are the uses of our teeth or function of our teeth. And see, had you teeth when you were born? Had you teeth? No. We all born with out teeth. Okay. At the time of our birth, we have no teeth. Okay. And later the teeth start to grow from our gum. That means gum means in Malayalam we are telling mono. പല്ലിൻ്റെ താഴെയായിട്ട് റെഡ് കളറിൽ ഇരിക്കുന്ന ഫ്ലഷ്, ദിസ് ഈസ് കോൾഡ് ഗം. ദിസ് ഈസ് അവർ ഗം. Okay, so first I told the function of teeth, isn't it? Function of teeth means what? Teeth help us to chew and bite our food. It gives shape to our face and it helps us to speak clearly. It is given here. All of you mark and learn it today itself. And see, sets of teeth. By the age of 3, a child has a set of 20 teeth. How many teeth? 20 teeth by the age of 3. 3 by the age of 3, 20 teeth. And they are called milk teeth or temporary teeth. What they are called? They are called milk teeth or temporary teeth. What it is called? Milk teeth or temporary teeth. Milk teeth or temporary teeth. At the age of 3 we have 20 teeth. They are called milk teeth or temporary teeth. All of you underline milk teeth or temporary teeth. And see, by the age of 6, that when you were in first standard or second standard, you have lost your teeth, isn't it? So the child starts losing the milk teeth one by one. As the milk teeth fall, new bigger teeth grow in their places from the gums. This new set of teeth is called permanent teeth. And at the age of 6, this milk teeth starts to go. Okay, shaking, and you are plucking it and throwing it. Okay, when you were in first standard and second standard, and in the place of your lost teeth, new one is growing, and that set of teeth is called permanent teeth. What it is called? Permanent teeth. Permanent teeth. So, in the lifetime, a human being has two sets of teeth. First sets of teeth, at the age of 3 we are having 20 teeth, and they are called milk teeth or temporary teeth. Milk teeth or temporary teeth. And at the age of 6, this teeth starts to grow, starts to lose, and instead of that place, new teeth growing from your gum. They are called permanent teeth. Permanent teeth. Okay. P-A-R-M-A-N-E-N-T. Permanent teeth. Okay. Then two sets of teeth are there, milk teeth and permanent teeth. This milk teeth we lost at the age of 3. And next we have, in an adult has permanent teeth. I have this permanent teeth. Your mother has this permanent teeth, and your father has this permanent teeth. You also have some permanent teeth now, not full. Okay. Then next let us see kinds of teeth. Different kinds of teeth are there. Kinds of teeth. Kinds of teeth. Okay. If you are observing in your mouth, we can see different types of teeth in your mouth. Let us see how many types of teeth we have. Then there are 4 kinds of permanent teeth. They are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Underline this, all of you. What are the 4 kinds of permanent teeth? They are, first one, incisors. I-N-C-I-S-O-R-S. Incisors. First kind of teeth, incisors. The 4 front teeth in each jaw. Each jaw are incisors. This is incisor. They have sharp straight edges. They are used for cutting and biting food. They are also called cutting teeth. So, incisors you can see in the front row of each jaw. See here, you can see incisors. These are incisors. These 4 teeth at the front, upper jaw and lower jaw. This front 4 teeth, upper and lower 4 teeth. So they are called incisors, and they help us to cut and bite the food. So they are also called cutting teeth. So front teeth are incisors, and they are 4 in numbers in each jaw. So 4 plus 4. Upper jaw and lower jaw. മുകളിലും താഴെ. The next one, canines. Canines. And here you can see canine. And there are 2 canines in each jaw. They are present on the either side of the incisors in each jaw. Here you can see incisors, isn't it? Here you can see 4 incisors, and here you can see what? Canines. See this one. Side you can see 1 pointed teeth here and here. These here and here. These are called what? canines. Okay, canines, and they are present on the either side of the incisors in each jaw. They are very sharp and pointed. They help to tear the food. For this reason, they are called tearing teeth. So, first set called incisors called cutting teeth, and here canines called tearing teeth. They are sharper and bigger in flesh-eating animals. And here you can see the pointed canines. Okay, with this we can tear the flesh. Okay, so flesh eaters have pointed canines. The next set is premolars. So canines 2 plus 2, isn't it? The next premolars. Premolars. There are 4 premolars. This is a premolar. Like this, 4 premolars we have, and see, they are broad and flat. See, at the back you can see here premolars. These are premolars. After canines, you can see 4 premolars in each jaw. 4 premolars. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. 4 premolars, and they are broad and flat, and these teeth help us crack and crush the food like nuts and all. So they are called what? Cracking teeth. Here it is 2 here, 2 here, 2 upper jaw also. So total 4. 4 plus 4 it is. 4 plus 4 it is in each jaw. Premolars, and they are called cracking teeth. The last one, molars. molars, molars. So, incisors, canines, premolars and molars are the 4 kinds of which teeth? Permanent teeth. 4 kinds of permanent teeth. Incisors, canines, premolars, molars. Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. And there are 6 molars in each jaw. Here molars also somewhat looking like premolars. Molars. Then there are 6 molars in each jaw. They are next to the premolars. They are bigger and broader than premolars. They help grind the food. Here it is back, and we are biting with this front teeth and grinding with this back teeth. So they help us to grind our food, and they are also called grinding teeth. So premolars called cracking teeth, and this molars called grinding teeth. Okay, so from the picture you can see all this. And how many molars? 6. 6 plus 6 in each jaw. Then let us add together 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, plus here also 16, so total 32 teeth. So an adult has how many teeth? 32 teeth. Okay, an adult has 16 teeth in upper jaw and 16 teeth in lower jaw. Like this, total 32 teeth. Name the 4 different types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. So today all of you read this portion. Okay.